Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to our channel. So today I want to talk about hair's porosity. So what is porosity? So you hear the term a lot, porosity. We might use it when we're toning you. Oh, your hair is very porous, so it sucked up the toner and it caused your hair to be a little darker than we had anticipated. So think of a sponge. And I've explained this before in the past when it came to color. You have a layer in your hair called your cortex. And that acts like a sponge where it holds your color, your lipid layer is actually in there, all your moisture is in that part of the hair. If your hair is very dry, more than likely it's going to be porous, so it's going to suck up whatever you put in it. So one way to even out porosity is always using a leave-in conditioner, always making sure you're doing a mask on your hair once or twice a month to maintain your hair's hydration. Now, after a color service, a lot of times what we would use is some kind of porosity balancer. A lot of times, like I said, it is a leave-in conditioner. So if you ladies at home are doing your hair and you feel like it's turning out darker than what it is on the box, your hair might be a little over porous and really sucking in those color molecules. So porosity is just your hair's ability to absorb or let go of moisture. If your hair is super hydrated and you always take care of it with leave-in conditioners and masks, your hair's gonna be a little less porous. Another thing porosity is linked to is hair elasticity. That's another term you might hear, thrown around the salon. That just is how much flex or stretch your hair can have. Okay, a lot of times after you get a really heavy bleaching service, you might feel a little stretch in your hair. You shouldn't, but that means you're over processed, and that will lead your hair to be more porous. So another thing is once you're lightening your hair and you're opening and closing that cuticle layer, a lot of times that outside layer of the hair is sometimes broken or a little off your hair, which leaves your hair a little more porous as well. So if you feel like your color's fading really fast in between shampoos, it's really important just to keep doing those masks once a week or twice a week even, just to keep the moisture in your hair so your color will last a little longer. So I hope that kind of cleared up any questions that you had about porosity of the hair. So it's really important to keep your hair at a good level of porosity, to use a leave-in conditioner and always use a conditioner, always use a mask or some kind of hydrating treatment on your hair at least once or twice a month. So any questions or comments, please feel free to leave it in the comment box below. Click subscribe and I'll see you guys next time.